Hi guys, it's me Chris. So today directly or straight from the set of Muscle Revolution TV, where I just recorded tomorrow's episode, the episode number 4, where I go more into details of the benefits of my Smart 2 workout style. But check it out tomorrow, and I will upload it on the afternoon, so in the evening. It's online tomorrow, Monday. So check it out on Muscle Revolution TV. So I said today is a very interesting, a very special episode, or a very special vlog, because I live my secret now, where some of you might riddle a little bit or guess a little bit about that, but I stated so far that my competition season for 2013 is over. I have to recall that because there is now an upcoming event next weekend. So that means I'm 6 days exactly out for my next competition, because it was a very short recognized competition. It is a huge chance because this competition is a so-called pro qualifier show. That means that the overall winners of each class can obtain the IFBB Pro status. That means also for the men's physique category. And the exciting thing is, it's one of the first shows in Europe coming up as a so-called pro qualifier, and it's the first and last show within 2013. So I want to use this chance because I'm already in a good shape. I did the German nationals, I placed top 3, and therefore I qualified myself to compete on the international level now. And this was 2 weeks ago, or 2.5 weeks ago, and I put on even more size, lean muscle size, and now even 6 days out, I'm more shredded and more hard than on stage on the German nationals. So I'm really looking forward and excited about the shape and physique I can bring on stage on this competition. And the competition is so called the first Ben Weider Diamond Cup, and it takes place in Athens in Greece. So it's really in the biggest Olympic stadium there, and it's really excited. It's getting a huge show there, and a lot of competitors are going there. And I think I'm the one, not the one and only, but the one guy from Germany who is doing the men's physique. I'm not sure if a second guy is also taking um, 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 part from Germany in the men's physique category, but who knows? I bring my best physique, and I will go for my pro card like promised. And everyone who followed my journey so far, this is one of my next steps for the season 2014. Now I have to use the chance because I am an athlete. I'm interested in sports. So this is my chance now, even to do it this year, to get my pro status there. So you have to use any chance you get there. I bring the best package on stage, and we will see what happens. So follow me on my Facebook athlete page for detailed information each day in, day out, despite of my or besides of my daily vlogs. And yeah, enjoy your evening. This is Chris, over and out. Peace out.